If you prefer convenience of the PC or just a full-size keyboard when using WhatsApp, then WhatsApp Web is the best for you. Let me quickly show you how you can use it. On your web browser, search web.whatsapp.com. web.whatsapp.com. Once this is open, click on the first option, WhatsApp Web. WhatsApp Web. To use WhatsApp on your computer, you have to open WhatsApp on your phone. Tap the menu or settings button and select linked devices. Point your phone to this screen to capture the code. This is what we will be doing exactly. We'll be heading to WhatsApp to do this. So launch WhatsApp on your mobile phone now. Click on the three dots at the top right hand corner. The three dots, scroll down to linked devices. Click on link a device. Connect to Wi-Fi to continue. Connecting to Wi-Fi will allow you to log in. It is faster and won't use cellular data. I'll be using my mobile data for this. Click on OK. Scan the QR code on your PC. Use your phone now to scan the QR code you can see on the PC. That is exactly what I just did now. You use your phone to scan the QR code on your PC. It is now connected. If you want to disconnect it now, click here. It is now connected to the PC now. You can see the Firefox windows there. This is how you can link any device or a PC to your WhatsApp and use your WhatsApp on your PC with all the functionalities and features still available on a PC. So let's head to the PC now. This is it. This is my WhatsApp on my PC now. You can see my contacts are here. This is WhatsApp Web. You can also make calls. This is the same settings. Start messages. You can log out. You can create a new group. Here, this is my status. These are my contacts. The same features, the same functionalities. If you need convenience and a full-size keyboard, you can use WhatsApp Web. If you want to log out, you can log out from your mobile device. So guys, this is how you can use WhatsApp on your PC. You simply get to your PC, type web.whatsapp.com. Head to your WhatsApp, link your WhatsApp to the PC, scan the QR code, and that is it. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful. Please share and give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, consider doing that. I will see you in my next one. Cheers to your success. Keep being amazing. Bye-bye.